Donald Trump has got to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Donald Trump has got to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Donald Trump has got to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Donald Trump has got to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Donald Trump has got to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho!
You're good.
Donald Trump has got to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Donald Trump has got to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Donald Trump has got to go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Donald Trump has got to go! Ho, ho! Donald Trump has got to go! Hey, hey!
Well, I hope his truck's got a good scratch in it.
Got to go! Hey, hey!
I'm going to try to get a picture. I've been taking pictures all this time, and one time I put my phone down.
Oh my
Oh
God.
my God, I thought he was going to run him over.
I know.
I was
Well,
walking out there.
I
I don't know
know.
why he's doing that.
Well, he's trying to be a little bit disruptive, but you get whack jobs like that, you gotta realize whack jobs, you know?
Yeah.
Now
Let me get my camera on. He's going to come back. Watch.
He might.
Your thing on? Did you get him?
I hope so. It's on. The thing is we need the license plate, you know?
I know. I'm going to zoom in. Hopefully he comes back by.
Oh, look at that's the guy on the motorcycle. That's the same guy. He's in that old van. Oh my God. He's wearing his helmet.